My name's Philip, with my wife and myself. We own and operate 4 Gutter-Vac franchises on the north side of Brisbane. Best part of owning a Gutter-Vac franchise is we work for ourselves, not for somebody else. What services does Gutter-Vac offer? We do lots. We don't just clean gutters, we wash solar panels, we clean rainwater tanks, and we can do that while they're full. We pressure clean roofs, driveways. We'll do yard cleanup. We're not just restricted to gutter cleaning. Why would I buy a Gutter-Vac franchise? It is a profitable business. You're able to support your wife, your family in a lifestyle that suits you. If you're thinking of buying a Gutter-Vac franchise, a profitable business that carries a lifestyle that suits you, don't hesitate to call. There's wonderful support from them. Put an online inquiry in and speak to them at Gutter-Vac and do it now.